It seems like every time we turn around, there's a new apartment building being constructed. Clearfield has a great product for these types of projects, and it's indoor rated microduct. And depending on what you're trying to achieve, there are multiple styles that you can use. The most commonly used microduct for MDUs or apartment building is going to be a riser rated material, but there's also a plenum rated version in case you're going into some type of a school or hospital environment. But today we're going to focus on the riser rated because this is typically going to be used a lot more in these types of projects. We have a couple different sizes depending on what you're trying to do. We have a 10-6, which means that it has a 10 millimeter outside diameter, 6 millimeter ID. We also have a 1410 version of the microduct. And typically the smaller microduct is going to be used to run from each one of the units back to some type of central collection point, for example, a wall box on each floor. But we also have the larger material, which can be used for multi-fiber applications such as MPO connectors to provide multiple fibers to each floor on a building. What's great about the Clearfield solution is that it is extremely crush resistant. So when you're installing this material, it won't kink easily and it'll provide a viable pathway for providing fiber into the microduct. In single fiber applications, we're going to have, again, use the 10-6 product, and all of our different microducts have a pull string integrated into them, which is really important because that saves you time out in the field so you don't have to install your own pull string to get your fiber into the microduct. And so there's a couple different types of fiber depending on what you're trying to do. One great solution for MDUs is what we call strong fiber, and this is going to be a Kevlar reinforced 900 micron cable. And so since there's a pull string inside the microduct, we will tie onto this string that's attached to the connector. We're going to tie that onto the pull string, and then we are going to be able to simply pull as much fiber as we want off of the reel and into the microduct. And once we get that to the box, for example, that's on each floor, we can take and remove this cap and install the housing connector kit and make this into an industry standard SC APC connector. If we want to do a multi-fiber application, as I mentioned before, perhaps we have a 48 unit complex and we want to provide 12 fibers to every floor from the basement, we can use what's called our pushable MPO connector, which is a multi-fiber assembly that can be pushed or pulled into the microduct. And when this arrives at its destination, we take the connector kit that comes with this MPO assembly, remove this housing, snap the connector on, it becomes an MPO, which can be installed into any type of cassette or breakout device that we want to use on each floor. Again, this microduct is perfect for MDU applications, very crush resistant. It has a pull string integrated into it, and it's in stock at Clearfield right now. So if you ever have any questions about a MDU project, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.